How to refit the toilet pan. First, you will need a 90mm spanner, protective mat, protective gloves, and a set of grips. Locate and reconnect the water hose to the water valve, ensuring the hose is pushed all the way home. Secure the hose in by refitting the plastic clips. Ensure the clip is tight, but do not use excessive force. Lift the pan onto the fixing studs, and hold the pan in place. Refit the plastic nuts to each side. Using the spanner, tighten the plastic nuts. Ensure the pan is fitted securely, but do not over-tighten. With your hands, refit the rubber seal around the pan. Turn on the mains water supply. Flush the toilet to ensure it operates correctly.